How to easily remove video background using Canva. Open your Canva app. Select your layout. Click the plus button. Upload your own video or choose one from Canva video library. Then click Effects. Then simply click on Background Remover in the Effects section. Like magic, the background will disappear. You can also upload your own video and just follow the steps again. Again, simply click on Background Remover in the Effects section. Yay! After a few moments, you'll see your video transform to one without a background. You can now put your own background design. Now save it to MP4 format and you're done. The background remover tool is only available with Canva Pro.